Go downstairs, schedule your 4 days, take care of your money thing, go get your license for Secretary of State, come back and get it, and we'll wipe out the 500. Order 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. But the money thing, I'm literally going to pay you to show me your license. What else do you have to do? You got other places you got to go pay tickets or what? You're going to pay the $418 on the speeding ticket, the $45 clearance fee that's on this charge. On this charge, it's $500 or a valid operator's license by April 17th.
Okay.
Miller?
Yeah.
And you're going forward today without an attorney?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. All right, so you've read your rights?
Yeah.
Understand all those rights? And you understand the possible penalty for allow unlicensed driver to operate?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you in fact drive a vehicle on December 13, 2018 in Huron Township? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge. And I will dismiss the original charge that was issued to you. Are you working, ma'am?
I am, but I do have money to pay whatever it is.
Okay.
Like $480.
Good.
I think we're gonna gave me.
Yeah, the speeding ticket is $418, and then whatever I do on this one.
Like we have I think I have like $490 to pay.
Okay. And what's the status of your license?
It's, that's what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get that flag. Didn't request.
What else do you have to do? You got other places you got to go pay tickets or what? Right. Okay. All right, so as far as you know, you get your clearance from us, you're going to Secretary of State and you're getting licensed.
Yes. And then they got all of them holding me up with the court compliance for here.
All right, here's what I'm going to do for you. You're going to pay the $418 on the speeding ticket, the $45 clearance fee that's on this charge. On this charge, it's $500 or a valid operator's license by April 17th.
Okay.
I'm also going to order 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. But the money thing, I'm literally going to pay you to show me your license.
Okay.
Okay? Go downstairs, schedule your 4 days, take care of your money thing, go get your license for Secretary of State, come back and get it, and we'll wipe out the 500.
Okay.
Clear? Questions? Awesome. Have a good day.
Thank you. 500 by when, Judge?
April 17th. You're sure you have a license by the 17th, right? Okay. Good luck. Good morning, counsel. How are you? Good, good. H&H on the go transport. All right, you're appearing for them.
I was what you said, 62860, and I have a big change transport we run it. Today's gonna be, respect for request, we can give you transportation for because
Done.
you know, have your order to do so in response to truck overweight, meant buying up $2,800 is 30 days.
And done again. All set. Actually, hold on. Oh, okay, you're pleading to overweight and the over width.
No, just the original, there's, I think count one is the overweight and there's.
Oh, yeah, got it. The overweight's the only one we're going forward with. Gotcha. Okay, $2,800. Have a good one. Good luck. Pretty good timing. Don't you love it when the schedules work that well?
Yes. No, that was very good.
What you charge next door?
So, well, an F8, as well as an A and B, the companion bills will appear on the FA.
So the FA got kicked. Good luck next door.
Good morning, guys.
You too.
Well, I've seen them.
What the bad thing is, the judge is California, I guess, was saying. Two meetings.
Yeah, that's too bad. All right, so what was I gonna do? Oh, any idea with who's, oh, CJC, they're probably in the wrong place?
Oh, no, that's it, that's, Wayne County with Javon Edwards. I asked them to join us before they join Judge Mark. Verify with them that they have Javon Edwards.
I will. Morning. When they open up.
Overweight, dismiss the oversize.
Good morning, deputy.
Good morning, Romulus. How y'all doing today?
Excellent. Are you gonna bring us, Mr. Edwards?
You know what? I was going to ask you about that. He on camera with Judge Martin now. I'm gonna switch him out and get him over to yours because it looked like we're gonna have to do this little musical
Yeah,
chairs.
I think we'll get him done before she will.
Okay. Do you have a Brackman as well, Your Honor? Eric?
Give me just a minute. Put it up.
Yes, we have your.
Yes, we do.
Okay, so I'm about to get Edwards over in the seat for you right now.
Okay, thank you. And what do you do with that? Break out?
Yeah, Josh.
Hey, Edwards. Come on over here. I knew you had both the judges.
Council on Goins. Good morning, Mr. Mays.
Oh,
Trial, we'll wait for you to pass the court date to not guilty, please.
he ready for the night.
Yeah, we're doing my job.
Good morning.
And, take a couple of days.
No problem. Yeah. Let's get you a date.
Let me go.
You're not gonna talk me out of a personal bond for Ms. Goins, are you?
No.
All right. Ms. Goins, we're gonna get you a date. And in the meantime, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble and show up for court. Third one is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to court amount of $1,000 if you violate bond? Any questions? You can put your hand out.
As soon as April 9th or April 23rd or May. And it's gonna be with Judge Martin on Zoom.
May what?
I have May 14th.
And what were the April dates? I'm sorry.
April 9th or April 23rd.
Let's do the 23rd.
What time?
Three,
9:20 is what I have.
9:20.
Who's that with?
Judge Martin.
Oh,
That's Zoom.
That's when he's-
Okay, we'll get you a paper notice. I swore you in. You're good to go as soon as you get your notice.
thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
You as well, Mr. Mays.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Edwards, can you hear me all right?
Good morning, Judge. Okay, how you doing this morning, sir? Good morning. Good
Better than I
morning.
deserve, Mr. Edwards. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Good to see you.
Would you like to
as well.
talk to a court-appointed attorney for today's business?
Yeah, but ain't this from how many? What is this again? 'Cause I'm doing two cases today to get it out the way. I'm trying to
Right,
take the
today,
baby.
here's what I've got with you, right? Because you're in two different courtrooms. What I've got with you is from February 6, 26. I've got a Huron Township misdemeanor drove while licensed, suspended, revoked, or denied, and a misdemeanor operating while visibly impaired, a misdemeanor failed to stop or identify after an accident, and a civil infraction refusal of PBT. So if you want to talk to an attorney, we can throw you in a breakout room with the attorney.
Yeah, and I'll come right back in with you.
That's the hope.
Okay, all right.
We're
Thank
gonna
you,
try
sir.
to bang you out real quick so we can send you over to Judge Martin.
Okay, thank you,
All
sir.
right, we'll put you in a breakout room.
Yes,
Stay
sir.
tuned,
Yes, sir.
counsel. Counsel, your appearance for Carlisle. Oh, you are Mr. Carlisle. You had the suit, you threw me off. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, but you made a deal. Okay, so according to the paperwork, you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of allowing unlicensed driver to operate, and both the charges from January 23rd would be dismissed, right? Okay, and did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on that date? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss both original charges. What is the status of your license?
Currently, the prosecutor gave me the opportunity to get my license back. Years.
Wow.
Always trying to get better. So,
How long you been sober?
Pardon?
How long you been sober? Good for you. Yeah.
I had 4 years that I was.
Yeah. But you know how to do it.
I do it, life's better. I'm getting.
Yeah. You know how to do it. Yeah. All right. So what are the hurdles that you have to get over to get your license back? You got to go back for a driver's license appeal division? Okay.
Getting letters.
Okay.
I've seen the addiction therapist for the last 4 years.
Okay. Okay.
So I just jump through.
You don't have a hearing date yet.
No, I have.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe
Have you hired an attorney?
I haven't checked.
Have you gone through that process yet, the driver's license appeal division? Hire an attorney. I know. Here's the thing, and I've never practiced in that area. I'm just from being here for 20 plus years. So many people, they do everything they think they need to do. They set up their hearing, they get to the hearing and the hearing officer says, okay, come back when you've done this, and you've just lost all that time. After 21 years, you're probably real anxious. I'm going to suggest that you at least talk to an attorney that specializes in license restorations. Find out what it's going to cost you. My experience has been you're much more likely to get some bang for your buck on your first hearing with an attorney than without one. If nothing else, and I always stress, it's got to be somebody that does a lot of restoration because they know the individual hearing officers. They know how they want to see things put together. They know what T's that person wants to see crossed. So it's worth looking into.
Something like mom, like I said, she's like, I'll take it.
It's definitely, I think you'll be well served. I mean, even if you got to beg, borrow, and steal the money, I think you'll be well served because you'll actually get some driving privileges back quicker. That's my experience. All right. So that was a tangent. I should have put you on a tangent alert. So back to business here. All right. Are you working? Where at? How long? Yeah, the prosecutor gave you a gift on this one because this charge shouldn't hurt you at all on the license restoration. Yeah. All right, so on this file, fines and costs are $500, and I order 4 days on the work program. The work program is an alternative to jail. We run that program. You pick the days. The days you pick, you'll walk out here with a schedule for 4 days. Those days you need to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So go downstairs. Can you pay the money today? All right, go downstairs, pay the money. The cashier will give you a smile, and then tell her you need to set up your work program, and she'll tell you where to go. Any questions? Good luck with your hearing. You're welcome. All right, so Heather tells me that somebody on YouTube wanted to know the book I refer people to. Hold that up over there. I don't think my camera's not close enough. I think Gil's got to do it over there. All right, so it's not specifically a grief book. It's a little bit the other way, a little bit the other way. Mark. No, wrong way. To the right, to the right, to the right. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at the middle screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you folks can read that or not, but it's read the title, Joe. I always forget it. When a man loses his father.
When your father dies.
Yeah, when your father dies. It's what I always give men who've lost their father. So hopefully that helps. That's good, Joe. And while you're watching on YouTube, share some comments. Let me know if my podium mic is picking up any better than it used to. We've been trying to make that better because we get lots of complaints from you folks. I would appreciate that. And
Ms. Miller, Terry Miller, I thought it was right here.
we had to take care of it, folks.
She-
And third thing is, if you go to our court website, we're doing a state court administrator approved court satisfaction survey. So if you'd like to take the time and fill that out, we would appreciate it. I got her. Come on up, Ms. Miller. What's your concern about work program?
Living.
Oh, okay. That's a long drive. You're all right. Can you do some charity work though?
You already where I'm at, volunteer work and community service.
Where are you doing the volunteer work? At the center where you're at?
I can do some there, there's also other places that we,
They'll hook you up with something?
yeah,
All right, so instead of 4 days, I'm gonna have you do 30 hours.
Okay.
Can you do that by the end of April?
yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my bad. I didn't even notice your address.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
It'll-
if I would have seen your address, I wouldn't have done that. Have a good day.
Just do it, we like bring paper in.
Here's how you do it. Go to ABC Charity on their official letterhead, have it documented that you showed up, your name, you know, the dates, the hours, how many hours, bring that in and we'll approve it. All right, make sure they're a nonprofit. Good luck with your recovery. Morning, Murray.
I have a case, I'm not feeling well.
No, you don't, you sound terrible.
My bike.
That came on quick. Weren't you in here earlier this week?
Yeah, well, June, yes, I thought that's why I'm trying to stay away with.
So it's her fault. Yeah.
I was fine with working.
Yeah.
This is a case I didn't block that. We already had a jury trial, which Judge Martin got canceled. So I'm just setting up a jury trial.
Okay.
Give me the time to deliberate.
Okay.
And there's a much stuff for a bench. Just got done.
Let me know as soon as possible. She'll get you a date.
And he's gonna be in here at some point.
That's fine. That's fine. We'll give him a notice.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I hope you feel better.
And then
Yeah, tell Jane I said,
I can notice that I had a 4 o'clock license hearing at Microsoft Teams. That's all I had. So I stayed home all
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
Today I got this, we got divorce at 9, I got bankruptcy 11:30, and I have the license days at 1. So today's a little different.
Yeah, good luck.
This is with Karen or something.
It's tough.
What happened with the last one?
We went down to the data trial and, Rob did a subpoena on somebody. You know. But that happens. I mean,
Yeah,
but- so this time, I'm stipulating. I don't want that. I'm tired of this.
yeah, just get it over with.
Oh. I have. Okay, no, he can't do that day because he's already here that day.
Can we go past my other one at the end of April?
Yeah, I'm in May now,
Okay, thank you.
but May is, I can't do it because he's already on the day that we have a jury. We're looking into June,
That's even better.
June 2nd. It's a Tuesday.
Can we go like to mid-June?
Judge is off, then we hit, no, we're,
Okay.
wait a minute,
Oh, that's right. I'm going to New Mexico.
Yeah, I would get.
I have June 29th. It's a Monday.
That's good, day. I feel the first week of June, I got that Dutch recordings.
Do you wanna go get Mr. Hurley? Or, yeah, just Mr. Hurley.
He's home.
Okay, then
First one. Yeah, Heather, that's right.
You did leave me a message and I'm like, okay, Murray, you're jumping on Zoom, even though,
No,
but,
no, I wouldn't do that.
yeah.
I would never jump on Zoom unless you.
Yeah, I was gone and then I just got in this morning.
I don't mind coming in, but I just don't mind, but it's,
Right.
I don't mind, like it's,
I'm leaving,
yeah,
I'm leaving tonight.
you know, that's funny, my daughter's leaving tomorrow. Where are you flying though?
Puerto Rico.
That's where she's going.
Where is she going to cruise? Out of Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Sunday?
Well, she's leaving tomorrow. I don't think Sunday, but she's leaving tomorrow. She's flying to Boston. And then she's leaving from Boston to Puerto Rico.
Oh,
So I don't think it's Sunday. I don't.
Ride or you?
It's,
On Puerto Rico.
She-
You brought your wife?
no, that's my daughter.
She's going there, but I'm just worried about the flights and the lines. TSA lines, because Puerto Rico,
There's, the TSA lines are okay.
in Puerto Rico,
Oh, I don't know about Puerto Rico.
no, they're not
Yeah,
good
get
there.
on there.
No, so coming home, be trouble.
Well, I have a flight because Norwegian messed up my flight on the way back. I have a flight, they gave me a flight on Monday. Well, we're like, no, we want to come home Sunday. Sunday is the day we need to come home. So my, travel agent paid $1,200 for a ticket for me to come home Sunday.
Okay.
So if I have problems, I have tickets Sunday and Monday,
So,
because
well,
Norwegian canceled my Monday
Yeah.
flight.
Well, my daughter booked this because it was cheaper to go to Boston. I don't know why, but, and, and she's got 3 little kids.
So she's going to Boston and then Puerto Rico? We're flying from here to Dallas to Puerto Rico.
Okay, good luck with those TSA lines.
Yeah, I know.
That's it, guys.
I'm seeing that we have a ordinance document that day.
You have ordinance document June 22nd. This
Oh,
is June 2nd.
No, June 29th.
Oh, June 29th. Sorry.
so move the 29th to the 22nd.
Yes, on your
I
docket.
had it as the 29th.
Yeah, it's always the fourth Monday for you.
Okay,
And then this happens, we happen to have 5 Mondays in June.
Lucky for us.
That's right.
all right, so that solves that. So now my 29th is over.
Yeah, it's open. So June 29th is good?
Thank you.
Yes.
Do we get a notice or can I just leave?
You can just leave. I'll send you notice.
And
but-
he's gonna be here at some point.
Okay, yep, so I'll.
I have to roll in, run
I'm
it, we
gonna
use
stay.
rolls in. Okay.
Eleven,
Just give him the notice. Give him the notice. Yeah.
8:30.
Yes.
What do we need to submit? Jury instructions and
Yeah,
all
I
that?
send out. Yes.
Have a good time.
Thank you, I will. I send out a,
Thank you.
scheduling like 4 weeks beforehand, and it tells you everything that I need. But yeah, usually a couple weeks beforehand, I need jury instruction.
Very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Silence, it's 29.
And you have that file entry.
Yes, so I,
I'll need it.
yes, scratch it off on yours.
What was that? Mine's jacked up. I'm scratching judges. What was last name?
A lot.
Oh, that's right. I think I
And then
did
I'll
scratch
into
it.
the notice and you set it
Yeah.
up there, so we can send it.
So Alter Holland.
That would be a Marlisa. I would think, yeah.
She called me, she's all excited, she said, I just had a great idea. I'm like, okay, tell me more. She said, I got a bench trial with you. I'm like, okay, she says, I just got approved, so Kendrick could be my second chair. I'm like, okay, why would she have to be approved? She's a lawyer. And that dawned on me, it's LIDC. Because LIDC won't pay her for misdemeanor stuff until she's got trial experience. So she's got some trial experience. And they won't pay, if you want 2 attorneys on one case, it's got to have special approval. So LIDC approved it. So she said, she doesn't know it, but I might ever do an opening. I know you don't like openings, so I know his job. No, I don't mind, special approval.
Did she say when it was?
April 20, it's with Mohammed, April 21st, I think she said.
Yes, we scheduled it on Lisa's docket because you're covering. And she's doing our she'll be doing our mock trial 2 days later.
And Leanna said, I'm still gonna take the main witness, but I'm gonna have her do the opening next to the other side. Well, yeah, great.
That is very good. She got herself a good,
Mentor.
yes.
Yeah, because you know why? Because Belcher's not just waiting for Kendra to ask her stuff, right? Like this.
Mhm.
Kendra didn't come up with this.
No.
Belcher came up with this.
Well, because Kendra wouldn't know to come up with this.
Yeah, all she knows is she needs some experience, but. And I told Hannah, I said, you know, if I'm Kendra, I'm trying some cases for nothing if I have to get the experience. She said, well, yeah, but I want her to get paid. I'm like, no, I'm not against her getting paid.
Right.
But if you know, if you got to jump through extra hoops to get paid, just do it without getting paid.
So Joe, give this to the guys out there and let them know when I'm going to send him on his way. Thank you.
All right, let me know when you got something. Go.
Okay. All right, bye.
What do you get? Somebody gave you a piece of paper, and you look at this, sorry. The attorney? Yes. Oh, have a seat, we'll be.
I'm not prepared today.
I'm gonna go.
Can you let Hadley know that he needs to speak to, the, jail?
Jail.
John Edwards, because we have to get him over into Martin's next door.
Edwards?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
So that. Why did it logging in on Zoom data color should be here?
I didn't have anything. Never logged in on this. By this name. Not
Then
this.
she signed it. Did you hear that?
Caitlin's gonna dismiss it because she emailed it back before she was rescheduled.
Okay.
We missed the first one.
Yeah, no, she didn't jump into ours.
Okay.
All right.
Well, it's handled, so we're good.
Yeah, all right, thank you. Yeah,
Thanks today, right?
today's the day. I gotta get out of here ASAP.
They got some.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah, already lost did it before.
Yeah.
So.
Hi.
Thank you. We just need an adjournment.
Can you just give us a date?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
I mean, unless we have to arraign, but I don't think so.
That one day.
No, he's not. The judge isn't gonna arraign on this anyways. Unless they want. I did not, sorry. Adjournment, Renninger.
Manager?
Renninger, what day did you want? The next court dates are gonna be by Zoom. I have, April 9th, April 23rd, 24th.
Right. You know, I need to look down at the office, you probably do it for you.
Well, we don't want that. April 23rd?
Hold on.
Oh boy. I might be able to do April 23rd. What was it, May 9th?
May 14th is the other one.
Oh, 14th is a fair.
May 14th, 9 AM.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
With Judge Martin, so let me give you a notice and you will, walk away with the Zoom ID. Here,
This is Zoom ID on.
The Zoom ID is on the notice. You are, and once your client, please, you're all set.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Yeah, okay, taxi, to bring a work about that, on the side.
Well, let's keep it. I guess we'll find out. Well, oh, she got off, or you just kind of, I need to learn, that's why I need to be both done with that. I need to get out of here. I know, can you just go? Yeah. Not trying to, but.
Yeah, but no word. It was on side. Time of year. You know, I'm there. I'm right at the wall, yeah, right at the wall, and stuff. They got.
We'll find here, the guys not, the fives and years in.
Oh, that's it.
Who's been in here longer? You have, haven't you? First one. All right, what's your last name? Russell.
Bless you. I know, I can stay with me too, I'm leaving. Oh. But you were like the pony, you're going too.
What's that?
Only jobs.
You went to that. You're gonna see me in base when I'm. Okay. So.
Stand, I already forgot.
Bring the meeting.
I need my steak.
Going on, Mistakes, I'm appreciate. I will say. But you never got really, so I figured I gotta do the thing that. You want to see, so. I moved about sneeze. Well. Sure. Yeah, smart.
I, I don't think so. I think she's like making them work. This is a dismissal.
So this can,
That's dismissed.
yeah, so they can just leave.
It's already signed, everything on it.
Let me just make sure they don't settle on.
Leave it up to the crowd. No question. Vote on it, dismiss.
Yep, good to go.
Okay. If you need, take one of these, today, I'll let you back. Yeah, I'll give it up. Okay, thank you. Yeah, your music wants. Good. About there, the prayer.
All rise, 34th District Court now in session, Honorable Judge Oakley presiding.
Have a seat, folks.
I'll go get Leslie.
What's your ready? What does this?
Would you grab?
Not here.
The person's not here, but Caitlin dismissed it.
Oh, okay.
This was correct. That one, I think so.
I'll check it.
I don't find it is. I think I feel bad.
I got this one sitting here. Just when she comes in, you can start on that one, and then I'll
That's
pull up
Leslie?
the files. He's been here longest.
Okay. What?
When,
Yeah, but it's Leslie's representing.
yeah, I just have one
Yep.
shoot ready to go.
Yep. Is there a plea agreement in here?
No.
So,
Leslie,
She got them all?
I just kind of, I staged that one.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Everybody's waiting for her?
Yep.
I feel like this is Judge Parrott's old courtroom staff. Yeah, but it's not good for me.
No.
It's not.
No.
All right.
Yeah, I have to get, as he's going, I have to do it, get the people downstairs.
Then.
That's why I was just asking about.
I didn't want me, because she'll
It's
do it
fine.
out.
I just wanted a German. If anybody's in a German, I need that paperwork.
Okay.
That's all that. That's what I need.
Okay, I got you. I understand. I think that one is the guy's not here.
Yeah, because then I can get it ready and send it out. So when you said your microphone, they think you're talking about your mic.
No, podium mic.
And then they said, making us West Coasters wake up early, Judge. Somebody's in Washington and they're victorious.
So can you communicate back?
It looks like your community may think that I chat. So I don't want it to ever come down that
No, I understand.
you're chatting on that.
So YouTube watchers, I'm worried about my podium mic today.
Not yours.
Not my mic, but the one at the podium. So comment on the podium mic. Why is it so slow today?
You're going to be slow. She's just wrapping them all up though. I know, Josh has supposedly been in the breakout with the Wayne County. I'm like, we need to get him done. Josh-
All this time?
All this time. I already told Josh. I'll go talk to him now because he has other things over there and they have another jail over there.
Is Josh here?
I gotta be, yeah.
Adjournment.
You got the file already?
Nope.
What is it?
Oops.
KR?
Yeah, Cruiser.
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks, sir. You scratch?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
What that one?
What's Kaplan coming in here for?
So he's,
Good morning.
oh, that's fine. You're busy all in your mind.
Gotta watch it around line.
What, your page and I stop living in?
Good.
I'm gonna talk to Evan today about something else.
I think he said he, you know, he mentioned Josh can be a man.
Why is Kaplan there on a Thursday? Trial? It's a jury trial.
Thank you, guys.
Is it going?
I think that worked out.
Oh, here's Mr. Edwards. Do you know that?
Josh was at the.
Thanks.
It is.
He was chatting to that lady earlier. And getting us, well, and somebody else.
And we made you a liar.
Okay. All right. They're calling us now. The only thing I wanted to tell you, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Judge is going to go over a fingerprint order with you as well. So that's the only other thing. There's going to be a form to get fingerprinted, but we'll talk about that when we go on the record. Okay.
Oh, okay. Fingerprint found on Edwards.
You don't have the number of the files? Which files, is this one the worst one?
Probably the impaired. Yeah. 1661B. Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Hadley.
Good morning, Your Honor, again. Good morning, Judge Oakley. Good morning.
Just realized I was talking a whole.
Sorry. You didn't say anything bad about me. You're okay. Joe.
You know, if I'm gonna throw darts, I'll do it right.
Your appearance for Mr. Edwards.
Attorney John Hadley, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Edwards, who's joining us via Zoom from Wayne County Jail. Mr. Edwards,
Not awesome stuff.
Mr. Edwards, can you hear the attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
All right.
Mr. Edwards, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Do we need recall on the warrants or Ravenall?
No. Nope.
The client had a chance to speak privately off the record. Pretty sure I was case prosecutor. We haven't reached a resolution in this matter. Your Honor, there are four parts of it. There's an A, B, C, and C. Your Edwards, on the A case, the driving license suspended, that would be dismissed.
Got it.
On the B case, the operating while pleading guilty as charged. On the C case, Your Honor, that would be the fifth stop of property damage accident and 2-point offense. Misdemeanor, we'd be pleading guilty to that.
Right.
And then on the D, the refusal of the preliminary breath test and civil infraction, that will also be dismissed.
Gotcha. Mr. Edwards, did you discuss with Mr. Hadley your rights and the options those rights give you today?
Yes, I did, Judge Oakley.
Did you understand all that good information?
Yes, I did, Judge Oakley.
And did you also discuss the possible penalty for the charges of fail to stop?
Yes, I did, Judge. Yes, I did, Judge Oakley.
Operating while impaired.
Yes, I did, Judge Oakley.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to those charges?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Edwards, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on February 5, 2026?
Yes, I did.
And did you drink alcohol before you drove?
Yes, I did.
Was there a test result, Mr. Hadley?
Your Honor, I actually, we would stipulate that the blood alcohol content was above 0.08. I believe, on my conversation with Miss Caitlin Fully Carter, he was approximately in the 0.18 range.
Okay. And at that time, were you involved in a motor vehicle accident?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
And did you leave the scene of that accident before you identified yourself to law enforcement?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Okay.
Okay. I'll accept your plea on those two charges, sir. I'll dismiss all the other charges issued that day. So who's the in for and how long?
So he's actually on, he's being held at Wayne County Jail and has been there since February 24th on a violation of probation matter with Judge Green on Third Circuit. She issued a $25K PR bond, but my understanding is that there's, I don't know if it's a condition, but he's to resume outpatient treatment with Higuera
Good,
in Westland upon release,
good.
which he,
So
stated to me.
what's keeping him from being released?
No.
Raise his hand. He had a case that was dismissed yesterday, which was one of the holds. I think this is it right
Okay,
now. I see him putting his hand up.
okay.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I'm waiting on the tether. I'm gonna be doing house arrest at my father's house on Sydney Street.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting to go to my dad's house.
So as soon as they can get you hooked up with the tether, you're in the street.
Yeah, I'm going to father's house right on Sydney Street, right across the street from the courthouse.
Yeah, I know you. I know.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. Yeah.
All right.
So, asking bond, we're,
So he should be out in a couple days.
he should.
But today, should be today.
Hopefully.
Well, you're more optimistic than I am. I understand tether can take a while.
You right. You right.
All right, so let's do this. So the next thing I got to do is get you in here to be interviewed by my probation department,
Yeah.
and then we'll get you in here for a sentencing. So
Okay.
what we're going to do is I'm just going to have probation send you a notice to the
Okay.
Sydney address.
Okay.
So in the next couple of weeks, you'll have to come in and sit down for an interview.
Okay.
Yeah, you're
Yes.
going to do that. You're going to do what
Yes,
I tell
Judge
you.
Oakley. For sure, Judge
I'm
Oakley.
going
Yes,
to put you on a
sir.
personal bond. All right.
Okay,
So the
thank you.
first condition is you stay out of trouble. Second condition is you show up when we tell you to show up. And the
Yes.
third condition is don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you got a doctor's prescription. That means no
Yes.
marijuana, no alcohol.
Gotcha.
You can live with
Gotcha.
those rules, right?
Yes, I can, Your
All
Honor.
right. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 on each of these two misdemeanor files for a total of $2,000 if you mess that up?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right. Any questions so far?
No, you Judge Oakley. No, sir.
Put your hand down. All right. You owe us some money on some other tickets. We're just going to deal with that when I see you next time live.
Okay.
All right. So
Yes,
if you
sir.
can come up with a little scratch before you come see me, have it in your
Okay.
pocket. That makes things go better.
Will do. Will do.
And then Mr. Edwards, as soon as you release, you contact the court, my information will be on your file, it will have to leave my phone number.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
All right, good luck. We'll see you
All right.
soon.
All right, thank you. Have a blessed day. Thank you all. Thank you.
Good day, sir. Last time, but that microphone works just fine for Zoom.
Oh.
They can hear me on that.
Well, that's what I've asked YouTube to give me some feedback on the mic because I think the problem is who speaks. A loud one like you or I, or right there, it's okay, but a soft-spoken person doesn't get picked up well.
And I know Judge Mark's courtroom was today, Mr. Evans, I think they hopefully got a job.
Well, the deputy knew he was needed in two different places.
Yes. Mr. Evans definitely did.
Yeah, and before you get out of here today, I got something I want to talk to you that's not on any docket. All right.
I have one matter, that's in post right now, I think I brought it, like Miss Katrina Miller.
Oh, I got it right here. Miss Miller?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf of my client, Miss Katrina Miller, who, stating her name for the record.
Thank you.
On the way before reading your rating and understanding you have worked our bid not guilty for rating purposes, and we have, resolution.
Tell me about it.
So, Your Honor, this is another, we have an A, B, C, and a D. This one. I think the easiest way to explain this one, Your Honor, is just tell you the outcome.
Go ahead.
So, my client will be tendering a guilty plea to, operating while there's bleeding offense.
Yep.
The original charge was.
All right. And Ms. Miller, did you discuss your rights and your options with Mr. Havner? And you understood all that? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of impaired driving? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to impaired driving? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? All the answers. Did you drive a vehicle in Sumter on February 28, 26? And prior to driving, did you drink some alcohol? Was there a test?
Officially, yes. There was issues with PDT because of the way she came into contact with law enforcement fender bender. But the eventual test was
Was it over a 0.08?
absolutely was.
Ms. Miller shaking her head. That was a yes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You're satisfied, Mr. Hadley?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll accept the plea to the impaired driving, dismiss everything else that was issued that day. I'm in two things. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. We'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to send you downstairs to talk to probation. You're going to schedule an interview to come back and be interviewed by a probation officer, and you'll also find out today when your sentencing date is. Based on the interview, they're going to put together a report and a recommendation for sentencing. When you come back, you have a chance to talk about that with your attorney. I'll have read that report, then we'll have a conversation about that report and anything else you want to talk about, and then I'm going to decide what the sentence should be. You understand all that? In the meantime, your personal bond, condition 1, stay out of trouble. Condition 2, show up in court. Probation, sentencing, wherever we tell you to be. Third thing, don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up that bond? Any questions? Go downstairs, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. She be able to get a copy of the form of the dismissal today to take through the PD and she will fire.
Everything's already done, just have it.
Yeah.
To have probation, just have it.
Print something out down there. It's in the computer already.
Josh, can you get on Zoom, give me another Eric Brackman, Wayne County?
I'll jump in right now.
Thank you.
Elijah, is it Google Parsons? Parsons Google. I always do that. You know, it's a 50-50 chance, right? Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yeah.
All right. And you made a deal with the prosecutor? All right. It says here that you're going to plead responsible to a third charge, double parking. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $200, and both charges that were issued on March 1 would be dismissed, correct? That's the way you want to resolve this? Can you pay the $200 today? All right, go downstairs, get a cashier smile, and get out of here. Have a great day. I'm doing the Double parking on the civil.
$200.
200. Joseph Russell. Morning, council.
Right.
Good morning.
Last, yeah, 34696, hearing on behalf of the defendant Joseph Oakley, Your Honor. I'm here for you to tell the managed to resolve this case. Mr. Russell is going to plead guilty to his charge to operating while physically impaired. By a hotel. Also the failure to disclose to CCD. We have agreed that they cannot have before that weapon. And the charge of distracted driving will be dismissed.
All right. Mr. Russell, did you discuss with counsel your rights and options? Understood those rights? Understood the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for this misdemeanor charge of impaired driving? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Freely and voluntarily today? And you're pleading responsible to the civil infraction? All right. On the civil infraction, it's $180. Can you pay that today? Take care of that before you leave the building for me. All right. As to the misdemeanor, did you in fact drive a vehicle in Huron Township on August 6, 2025? Prior to driving, did you consume some alcohol?
No.
Controlled substance. Yeah. And do we have some kind of a test?
But we did run, he did okay in the field test. He did admit smoking a joint 30 to 45 minutes before driving. And I believe it was 30 nanograms of THC. I was looking at it on.
All right.
It was fairly high.
All right. Well, let's do it this way. Mr. Russell, looking back on it now, do you think that your ability to operate the vehicle that day was impaired because of your consumption of that controlled substance? We can set it for trial. What was the nanograms?
It's not my medical card, so
It was
not daily, but
Just because it's legal don't mean it's legal to drive.
30 nanograms per milliliter of the THC, the Delta 9
Okay.
THC. The Delta 9 carboxy THC was 83 nanograms per milliliter. Both of those are fairly high.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not as worried about the second. one.
Yeah. You got kids?
see it.
Okay. He or she? If I was carrying the THC in my system that you were carrying that day at that time, would you want me to take you on a cross-country trip? Why?
Possibilities of risk, risk factor, risk doesn't go out of the way to do work, I guess. So.
You satisfied, counsel?
Yep.
All right. Mr. Russell, I'll accept your plea. I'm going to send you downstairs to schedule an interview with the probation department. They'll also tell you when the sentencing date is. Did you hear me explain how a sentencing report works? Based on the interview, they'll put together a report and a recommendation of sentencing. You'll have a chance to go over that with the attorney when you come back for your sentencing. I will have looked at it in advance. We'll talk about the report, the recommendation, and anything else you want to talk about before I decide what the sentence should be. Understood? Questions? The bond is continued. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Benjamin Mason.
He's all sure. Oh, I'm not charge if everything is covered.
Right.
So if you can start to-
Yeah, just 3469.
Hold on, counsel.
Oh, I'm sick.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you see someone let her know she's so.
Robin, is it Kaiser? All right, so we're adjourning all your misdemeanors, but you understand you got a speeding ticket, you gotta pay money on. Okay, the surety doesn't cover that. Can you take care of that today or set up a payment plan?
Hey, honestly, man.
All right, it's 4:30. It's a big one. But you can get something started.
Yeah.
Just go downstairs before you leave the building, get some kind of paper plan in place.
Well,
All right. She'll give you a notice on the misdemeanors, but on your way out the door, stop and make a deal on the money. You're just waiting for a notice. All right. All right, counsel, go ahead on Mitchell or Mason.
Morning, 11, yeah, 34696, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Benjamin Mason. Your Honor, I'm happy to tell you to resolve this matter because Mr. Mason has a valid driver's license.
Awesome, awesome.
So the charge of driving a place
Reading on B, there's no B.
dismissed in exchange for plead guilty to allowing unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle and the charge of conspiracy of a minor will be dismissed and complete responsibility to double charge.
All right, Mr. Mason, you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the misdemeanor charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
You wanted.
She didn't threaten you. Right, okay. All right, all right. So January 11, 2026, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township?
Yes.
At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss both the original charges. I'm not going to take a plea to double parking because that just causes extra work for Heather. I'm just going to charge you a little extra money. So from your standpoint, it's the same thing. Understood? All right. And you've got your license now? And are you working?
Doesn't.
When's the last time you worked and where did you work?
Well, like under the table, I've been working around properties and stuff.
Okay.
All
right.
For that, it was before I got my license.
All right. Where'd you go to high school?
Sorry.
Where'd you go to high school?
It was in the high school. It was like a military program out in Battle Creek, Michigan.
Michigan Youth Challenge Academy?
Yes.
When'd you come out?
Cycle. It was second to last cycle before they shut down.
Okay. All right. Well, they're not shut down. I had a kid just got kicked out yesterday.
That's good for me, sir.
Yeah. So when did you come out? What, July or January of what year?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, so you've been out for a couple years. All right. So what have you done since then?
I've done a lot, Marine Corps a little bit, welding a bit.
Okay.
Lived around the country doing really everything there.
Okay. So why aren't you working now?
Flat.
Yeah, is that the problem?
Yeah, now he has a license,
Wh-
is a fine.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm doing everything welding and certified MIG welder, so that's what I'm looking for.
Okay. You want to work in water and sewer?
I'm a little hard so
Would you like to work in the water sewer industry?
anywhere.
Give me one of the cards right there. Come on up here.
Thank you, sir.
He's operating out of Monroe.
Okay.
When you said Flat Rock, it rang a bell for me. I've known the guy for decades. He's always looking for help. He'll work your butt off. I mean, he'll work you to death.
That's what I need.
But if you show up when you're supposed to be there, you pay attention, you do what you're told, in a couple of years, you'll probably be running one of his crews. You can make a home there. It's not just a temporary job. Okay, last time I talked to him, and it's been a while, he was starting people at $19 an hour. All right,
I'm young and I got nothing better to do but work.
and you're not gonna embarrass me, right?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, back to business. Anything else before I sentence on this file?
But as I stated, the president driver's license, he did the work he needed to do, and I'm really excited for him that he's working on his future.
Good. That's a good step in that direction. All right, so I don't know if I said this or not, but I'm dismissing both the original charges that were issued on January 11th. On the allow unlicensed driver to operate, I'm charging you $500 fines and court costs, and I'm gonna tell you to schedule 4 days on the court work program. I assign work program as an alternative to jail. This is a 93-day misdemeanor. So you're gonna pick the 4 days. I'm gonna suggest that you go downstairs, schedule the next 4 days we've got available on our program. So when he tells you to come in for a job interview, you can start. Understood? Can you do anything with it, $500 today? Set up some kind of a payment plan, monthly, weekly, whatever works for you. Any questions? Good luck. Just Leslie's pile?
That's us.
McGow? That's a 50-50 chance with that name. Come on up. Counsel, go ahead.
Yeah, 34696, carrying on to get the defense finding the document that's approaching is now standing to my right. Your Honor, we have managed to resolve this matter, which cleans up your calendar for May 26th, when we were scheduled for jury trial.
Thank you.
Mr. McGough is going to plead guilty to, one case, 25 HR 0953. In exchange, the other two cases, 24 HR 01310 and 25 HR 00846 will be this.
All right. All right.
I got it.
I don't have a 513, Heather. It's a 512, so I think it's just a typo. All right.
In this courtroom moment, the defendant appears before the judge after reaching a deal with the prosecutor. The agreement allows him to plead guilty to operating while impaired, while another charge related to distracted driving will be dismissed. The judge carefully confirms that the defendant understands his rights, the possible penalties, and that the plea is being made voluntarily. When questioned about the incident, the defendant admits that he had consumed a controlled substance before driving, and testing showed about 30 nanograms of THC in his system. The judge explains that even if a substance may be legal in some situations, driving while impaired is still illegal and dangerous. To move the case forward, the judge accepts the plea and orders the defendant to meet with the probation department for a pre-sentence interview. A report will then be prepared to help the judge decide the final sentence during the next hearing. Do you think driving after using substances should always lead to strict penalties, even if the driver believes they are still in control? If you enjoy real courtroom moments like this, like the video and subscribe for more courtroom content.